So guys, I actually use an iMac to do a lot of my editing for all my photos, and the iMac that I've got is a 2009, a late 2009, and the screen is actually broken. Let me just see if I can show you. So here there's a big crack in it. And so what I did is I went on to Amazon and managed to purchase myself a new screen. So what I'm actually going to do is show you a very brief tutorial on actually how to remove the old screen, and actually put on the new one. So hopefully it isn't going to be a Pinterest fail, and I am going to do it. I mean, I can't actually break the old screen any worse than it is already broken, but hopefully I won't actually break the new one. The new one itself is a 21.5-inch screen, and the cost of it was about 44 euros including delivery, as I managed to get free delivery with Amazon because it was over 30 euros or something like that. So yeah. So I'm going to take you through what you have to do to remove the old one, and then what you have to do to put the new one on, and fingers crossed it works. So here's the screen, and actually you can see better now how it is actually damaged. You can see from here that all this is actually broken. There's a couple of chips out of here. Now the screen itself, you're meant to use two suckers to actually pull the actual screen off, but as it's broken and damaged here, I don't have the suckers. So what I was told was I could actually put something plastic into one corner, which as you can see I already have, and then slide it along to actually pull the actual rest off. Now behind the actual glass is magnetic, so the actual glass itself isn't stuck, it's actually just magnetized to the actual frame itself. So I'm actually going to remove the old one now, and actually fingers crossed it actually does come off in one piece. So as you can see, a little bit harder in the corner because obviously the glass is broken, but yeah, there you go, the whole glass actually does come off in one piece. So that's the broken glass. As you can see, lots of broken bits of glass. So I'm just going to carefully put this down here while I get the new one out. So new one is here. So I'm just going to open the new one to get the screen out. Let's put this box down, get it out of the way. So there's the replacement screen. It's still got a protective cover on there, so what I'll do is I won't wipe it until I actually have put it on. But what they have said is actually also with a bit of tissue or something, just remove off of the screen behind, just rub over gently any dust that would have appeared on there, which as you can see there was a few. There was also a couple of like finger marks in there, so let's just get rid of that excess dust. Perfect. Okay, that's the dust gone. So when you take the new piece of glass, you actually have you see these little clips at the bottom. These actually just really actually support where the screen is actually going. So as you put the screen back up, just watch, because it will clip like so, and that's the new glass actually in place. I will pull the screen protector off, and I've just realised, again, not a Pinterest fail, but what I have realised is there's a piece of protective film on the back as well, so I have to reopen. So I put this down in there like so, get my fingers in, slide along and reopen it again, and then from the back there's a little red tab and that pulls the back bit off. So then back up again, clip it in place, and then there we go. A brand new piece of glass installed within less than 5 minutes. So swing back around, just make sure, oh, perfect. Make sure everything's okay. Absolutely smashing. So just loaded everything, everything's working perfectly, and what I'm actually going to do is click just to promote my last video that I did. Take a look at our latest video that's on there. It was a 7-day weigh-in. That's it there. Go check it out. It's Darren on Demand. And I hope you like the video. If you do, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also click the notification bell so that you will actually be notified on any of the new videos that come up when we actually produce them. I do my videos every Saturday, and sometimes I'll do them in the week if I've got anything special to say, but otherwise they'll be every Saturday. So please follow me, like the channel, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends and family about it. Thanks very much. This is Darren on Demand. Peace.